AS400, one of the most powerful enterprise systems, typically hosts core business workloads and is at the center of most business operations. However, customers with AS400 and its successors like iSeries and IBM I systems are facing rising costs and intransigent architecture. Programs and data are currently locked in proprietary hardware and software with inflated licensing costs. Furthermore, finding qualified personnel for managing AS400 systems is becoming a challenge, thus motivating users to evaluate alternatives and move to a new platform to leverage the benefits of a modern environment. So what's the next logical step? AS400 is reliable, scalable, and secure. So decommissioning the entire system is not a prudent choice. A much better option is to move out of the hardware and host the system on a new cloud environment to add agility and the flavor of modernization to the system. But is it even possible to host your AS400 system on the cloud? The answer is yes, and the process is not complicated at all. There are definitely some prerequisites to be considered before you make the move. However, the required preparation is a minor effort compared to the benefits that you gain. And once you have the prerequisites covered, you are ready to fly. Wondering about the complexity and timelines for the initiative? It's a simple 5-step lift and shift process. The timelines provided are ballpark estimates and can be adjusted as per your needs. However, we do recommend giving more focus to the assessment and preparation phase to ensure a seamless migration. Assess the entire system functionally and technically. Validate if the system meets the required prerequisites for a cloud move, such as RPG versions and OS version. Choose a cloud platform such as AWS, Azure, Google, or IBM, and evaluate a tool to recompile and deploy AS400 or RPG application. For example, InfiniteEye or BabyEye. The hosting process involves an actual lift and shift of AS400 from the current on-premises environment to the new cloud setup. An expert then tests whether the newly hosted system does what it's supposed to do without any gaps. And that's it! Your AS400 migration is done. After a brief training, your staff can now start to use the system more efficiently. You now have wider options open, where you can enhance the front end of the application, make it mobile friendly, add modern techniques to improve user experience, and improve the overall productivity of the business. Move your AS400 ecosystem to the cloud and experience lower costs, higher availability, and a safe migration process.